What did we do today, Jordan?
For my car part.
Well, we went and got your car.
I went and got my car. Got all the old emission stuff, radiator, AC condenser and compressor out. Pressure washed some of the gunk out of it. Figured out that I don't have a wiring harness or computer for the 360. So, we can either put the 5.7 Hemi in it, or the 360 with a Mega Squirt, which is a little more work, but got an idea of where we're going to be on it, at least.
Yeah, after years and years of it sitting.
So the last time I was on the road was in 07, so it's been sitting in a field since then, so I picked it up. Surprisingly, the rust isn't as bad as it could be for an almost 50-year-old car. So we got a little patchwork to do on the floor pans, so the driver's side seat stops falling through the floor.
A PVC pipe.
Spacers.
Yeah. So. This.
Over that god-awful green.
Either way, this is what we did today. Well, we finally are going to, well, picked up Jordan's Coronet. I'm not really sure if he knows where he's going right now, but I think that's the way he wants to go. But we're gonna get it back to the house and finally get a motor and transmission in it. I don't know which one we're gonna pick yet. We got a Hemi and a 360, but we'll get it back to the house and unload it. Not really sure what he's got going on right now, but I didn't know we were going to the town barn. Let's see what he's got going on here. Oh. What's the problem?
Door's like no way down the road.
Oh, come on. Seatbelt it.
That's the problem. Door pins are worn out.
The door doesn't fit on the cab.
What?
I said the door doesn't fit on the cab.
I guess that's what we're getting.
Okay. You good? Oh man. I guess we're okay. We'll keep going. You're washing all the dirt and grime off the fucking thing. Out of daylight because we had to run around. Finally got the engine crane back. Got a motor and transmission over there. Cleaned out the engine bay a little bit. And we got to do some interior things. Yuck.
It's got a fire extinguisher.
It's got a fire extinguisher. But we may have a new plan, depending. The Hemi may go in, or maybe this, but Jordan no longer has an ECU or wiring harness for either of the motors. So now we have to figure something out. It was going to be a quick get it going and roadkill it down the road, but now plans have changed. We're still going to quick get it going, but
Gotta figure out what motor now.
now what we want to do with it. So deal with no more daylight. Someday we'll get the garage up and we can do construction. Sweet Subaru, bro. So till tomorrow.